still quite disgusting. So my plan for restoring this keyboard is to take all the first of all, because it's going to be the most time consuming process, I'm going to take out all the keys because this is a mechanical keyboard. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the insides, probably not clean the actual insides the keys go into, but I'll clean the keys up, and then I'll clean just the overall sides while the keys are off, just because I find that easier to do, and then I'll put it all back together again. So start a time lapse of the rest of taking off the rest of the keys and cleaning them. So about an hour later or almost an hour later, and 5 Clorox wipes of cleaning later, I've successfully cleaned up all the keys, such as this one. However, we're not ready to put them in quite yet. As you can tell, the inside of this keyboard is filthy, so my thought process is that I want to give a big shout out to my mom for letting me borrow her isopropyl alcohol for cleaning this keyboard. And this is also a toothbrush that just some cheap, probably made in China toothbrush that one of our relatives got. So I'm going to spray this isopropyl alcohol on this toothbrush, and then we're going to clean it and just see. And we're going to use it again in the really deep bits of this keyboard, so they're really dirty. So it's clear this method is not going to work, so what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to just get in the really deep bits with this pair of tweezers instead. And so now I'll cut to a time lapse where I'll show myself using this tweezer to get things cleaned up. By the way, I forgot to mention that I lost the, I think, arrow down key, so, because I was launching it, because I used the pliers to get out, and it just launched right into the air, and I have no idea where it landed, so, yeah, but otherwise I managed to get the inside of the keyboard mostly cleaned, for the most part. Now, it still is a very dirty keyboard, though. At least it's still clean enough. And then immediately as I'm saying that, there's lots of gunk everywhere. Either way, now we're getting back on topic here. So now I'm going to use some more Clorox wipes to just clean up the edges, and then for the most part we should be done after I put the keys back in. So yeah, I forgot to hit the record button on the actual cleaning up just the outside of the keyboard. And so now let's get back to assembling the keyboard. I'll start the time lapse of assembling the keyboard. Excuse me. Alright, so right here, as you can tell, I managed to get the keyboard finished, and now this has taken me about a full hour, a little bit over that, just to restore this keyboard, but now, as you can tell, it's in pretty good condition with the exception of that one missing key. So that's a little bit annoying, but hey, it's just a left key, so, or at least as how I arranged it. So yeah, as always, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I know this was a bit of did you like this video? Please let me know in the comments. As always, I'm the iTunes fanboy, and peace out.